now, okay? Okay, all right, cool. Just keep telling me I'm doing great and I'll get better, I swear. Hi everyone, it's Lana with Danucera. Today we're gonna be going over a few different treatments and techniques that you can do at home when you're using Danucera products. I've already started off with CeraBalm. I've cleansed my skin, double cleanse too. So with the D22, one of the best things we can do is actually target those little fine lines and wrinkles, and we can also give the skin a nice lift. This is really going to help us be able to go in and make a visible change with our skin. We kind of have the cotton round just folded in half. I like it to sort of hug around my finger. As we're going in, this is where there's a little bit more pressure. I always think of like whisking eggs, or like there's a little flick and that little uptick by going into the skin, getting underneath that muscle, and then always going to the attachment here and giving a nice little, it's like a little vibration. This is actually going to be a physical way that we're manipulating the muscles, getting into those fine lines where those keratinocytes build up, and then that's how that line starts to form. And doing this technique and getting into those fine lines and lifting, that's how we're actually going to be able to pull and lift everything up. So with the D22, there's a lot of beautiful ingredients. One of my absolute favorites is the birch water. Whether you have rosacea, active breakouts, inflammation, you can still use this product on a daily basis. It's gonna help you treat all of those issues without causing inflammation, without damaging your barrier. It's gonna keep everything hydrated and give you really, really beautiful results. So if you are actively dealing with breakouts, if you have a lot of inflammation, if you have a lot of redness, this product is going to calm your skin. It works on contact, but also it's not just about that quick and immediate fix. What we need to do is not just look for that quick fix. We want to actually heal it and we want to repair it. And that's what D22 is going to do.